Alright guys, I am definitely excited to get into today's video. Once I got these in hand and realized how much better they are than all of those rendered images that were going around, like the rendered images were way off. So maybe once you see these and what they're actually going to look like, you might get a little bit more excited about them too. So let's do it, let's jump into it, let's break these down. Today we're taking a look at the Yeezy Foam Runner in the Ochre colorway. Okay, so here is the very plain cardboard box. Again, that Foam Runner unboxing experience is always pretty fun because it's pretty different to a regular, Yeezy box that we've seen for years now. You pretty much get a completely clean box. There is nothing on it except for one barcode sticker around the corner, the foam text on the top, and let's pull out today's pair of sneakers, guys, or shoes, or whatever we're calling this. The Yeezy Foam Runner in the Ochre colorway. And again, just for anybody who hasn't seen an actual Yeezy Foam Runner box, you can see it just says foam on the lid and then runner on the base. Just look at these and then take a look at the rendered images. The rendered images, completely different. Yeah, the actual pair of foam runners, I can tell you firsthand, it's a much more subtle, much more earthy, much more Yeezy kind of colorway. So this is the 6th colorway of the Yeezy Foam Runner and the 3rd solid colorway that we've had. Of course, we had all of the mixture versions, and although I do like those mixture versions, these kind of solid ones, I mean, for the longest time, this sand colorway has been my favorite, and now I might be finding it a little bit hard to decide which one I prefer. Either way, the big question is, when the hell are these going to be releasing? Originally, it was rumored to drop around the same time or literally alongside the MX Cream Clay colorway back in August. However, after that release date came and went and all we got was the MX Cream Clay, the rumors kind of went a little bit silent. We really didn't know when these were going to be releasing. Suddenly the other day, the sneaker bloggers started popping up a little bit more information about the Yeezy Foam Runner, and as of right now, we've got 2 release dates where this is speculated to be dropping. This Saturday on September the 11th or next week on September the 18th. Either way, it is coming very soon, and of course it's going to be retailing for the exact same price tag of £75 here in the UK, or of course $80 if you're out in the US. So another Yeezy Foam Runner that has been made in the USA. If you didn't know by now, all of the solid colorways of the Yeezy Foam Runner will be USA produced, and all of the mixture effect ones are China produced. So along with being made in different countries, the actual boxes will differ very slightly. At this bottom one, that is the USA produced pair, and this top one is the China produced pair. There'll be a very slightly different texture. However, in terms of like the softness and the comfortability, there is no difference there, but you will feel a very slight difference in hand. It really doesn't impact much. I just thought it would be good to let you guys know and be aware of the very slight differences between obviously a pair that's produced in China and a pair that's produced in the USA, other than the obvious huge color difference. Now, while we're on the topic of sizing, I actually go true to size with the Yeezy Foam Runner, and that seems to fit me just fine, and that's what I would recommend to you guys. However, this does only come in a full size run, so there's no half sizes with the Yeezy Foam Runner. So what I would kind of recommend to you you guys is if you are a half size, go up rather than going down. So if you're a 9.5, go for a 10. Now, another really cool thing about the Yeezy Foam Runner in this really nice ochre colorway is apparently the stock number is going to be pretty high. So there's apparently going to be a decent amount of this colorway on the market, and Lord knows that it needs it because again, the foam runners are in extremely high demand. A lot of people want the Yeezy Foam Runner. However, even having said that, this is still obviously a very polarizing pair of shoes. Like, I guarantee underneath this video, you'll find a bunch of people saying it is the ugliest pair of shoes that they've ever seen. So you are still gonna have that separation because, again, it's such a crazy design and something that is super different to what we've traditionally seen with sneakers. And maybe that's part of the reason why I really like it, because it is so different and so unique. And again, probably a huge reason why I like this so much is because it's extremely comfortable. In fact, probably one of the most comfortable things that you would put on your feet. Again, in my opinion, this colorway, it actually might be my favorite. It is a super wearable color. It is kind of a tannish kind of brown color to it, and it just stacks up super nicely, something that you can wear with a lot of different outfits. For the most part, this has been my favorite because it's simple, it's clean, it goes with everything. So when you compare these two, arguably this could even be cleaner. It might also hide some of that dirt and scuffs that you get over time, as opposed to this one, which you do have to clean regularly. But yeah, these are my two favorite colorways of the Yeezy Foam Runner. However, you do also have the mixture effect ones, which are also very solid. I would say they've really done a good job with the Yeezy Foam Runner. So yeah, guys, let me know what is your favorite one down in the comment section. Are you going for the solid colors or are you going for the mixture effect ones? Either way, again, the Yeezy Foam Runner in the ochre colorway is supposed to be releasing either the 11th or the 18th. Hopefully it drops on one of those 2 days. But that's pretty much all I have for you. Let me know what you think about the Yeezy Foam Runner in this ochre colorway. Very clean, very easy to wear, and again, definitely a pair of shoes that I recommend you going for. If you do manage to grab a pair, I think you'll be pretty happy with it. But either way, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. Catch you guys in the next one, but until then,